Good morning, everybody. Today is an exciting day. I just signed up for dive today at 12:30. That will be part of a different video, not today's video. As you can see, it's very humid out. The lens is starting to fog over. My first task of the morning is to find out if the coffee is available for Shelli. And I kind of want to go check out the boat and see how they're getting it all set up and everything. Now, our dive's at 12:30, so Shelli says she's going to put the kids down for a nap while we're out there. That way when I get back, they all feel refreshed, and then we might go do something. Pretty pumped about it. The water is just super calm right now. I was looking down, seeing if we could see any more fish, maybe some crab. My son Tanner says, "Dad, are you really gonna jump in there? There's sharks in the water." I'm like, "Yeah, I'm gonna go try to hug one." And he was like, "You're gonna hug a shark?" Yeah, it was a long story, but he just spent a whole night worried about me going underwater and then like a shark getting me, movie stuff. Not saying it can't happen, but he's just really concerned about me diving today. We are diving today. Don't know where, but we are getting on a boat, so that's gonna be pretty exciting. It'll be my first time diving off of a boat out in, well, I don't know where they go. I didn't really ask. I was just more along for the adventure. Where's that coffee at? I totally got distracted. Well, the family's awake. Hello, family.
Hello,
Hi, Tanner.
What's up, baby?
Allie. You finally clean your feet? She's been walking around barefooted so much. Everything she steps on is dirty now. What you doing? You wanna go? You wanna go play? Go swimming?
Go for a walk?
Okay. We're gonna check out the truck. You guys wanna check out the truck? See what's available?
Yep.
Shelli, tell them about the coffee I got you.
I would rather drink Joffrey's.
Whoa, we're not going there right now. Whoa.
Just saying.
Yeah, I don't know anything about coffee. I definitely
You all know that I hate Joffrey's.
Not really. There's a lot of new people in the channel.
Okay, Joffrey's coffee.
No, we're done. Either way, we're gonna go out to the truck now and go see what's available for food. It's very humid out there.
Yeah.
And it's warm today. It's definitely much warmer than yesterday already. Here we have the menu for the taco truck out here. You got waffles. You got a breakfast menu. I'm gonna get the waffles with blueberry. Tanner's gonna get a pancake with chocolate chips. Shelli's gonna get the breakfast taco. Fish sandwich, so turkey, ham, and let's see, Philly steak, grilled fries. The back here though, look at this. Fried shrimp and french fries for $25.99. Shrimp tacos. Tanner really wants some shrimp. We got chicken, pork. Quite a good menu here. Open till 5. We got so excited about the food showing up, we started eating it. Look at that. What is this?
This is the breakfast taco. So there's eggs, ham, avocado, and then this is really, really good. I took most of the eggs out because Allie's eating them.
Yeah, she's really loving it. And then Tanner said there's like a whole Hershey bar inside of his.
Because there's so much chocolate.
Yeah, it's really good. And then I got the blueberry one. You guys can see we did not wait to eat this morning. It is really good. Food truck, 10 out of 10 right there. What was breakfast like?
It was really good.
Yeah,
I could eat like 10 of those tacos.
Yeah. Oh, really? That was a lot of
avocado.
Yeah, that was crazy amount of avocado in there.
Yeah, it was very good.
All right, so what's gonna happen now is they're gonna go to the pool. They're gonna play. I gotta go to the store because we didn't bring really anything except water.
Yeah.
At least we brought water and grab some snacks and some treats for the kids.
Yeah, some like Gatorade and.
Yeah, it is definitely a lot warmer here than back home right now.
Oh yeah.
The humidity is one that I'm noticing the more though.
I couldn't here in August.
Yeah. Oh my God. Well, we were. You remember? We came out here.
Well, maybe their temperature doesn't fluctuate as much.
That's probably what it is. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm actually gonna go to the coffee bar first.
Do you remember how hot Key West was?
Yes.
We were dying. Yeah. Okay, the kids went swimming. I ran to the store. Most of the snacks are already gone that I bought. They're gonna go back swimming again. We took a break. We watched some Frozen, some YouTube, Kind of answered some comments that were on a couple of my videos I did. How are you feeling?
Good.
It's hot out there. I don't care what she says. I was sweating so bad. Allie was just like, ah. Tanner wouldn't get in the ocean. He's not ready for it yet. He says he needs some more time warming up. But he is starting to learn how to use his snorkel, and that was pretty cool.
Yeah, we'll go practice in the pool again.
Oh, yeah. And she said the pool is saltwater.
Yeah.
So, didn't know that.
It is.
Yeah? Did you drink some? So I have about 35 minutes until I head over to the dive location. Now there is a night dive tonight, and Shelly has hinted that I might be able to go.
Shoot.
Okay, I'm gonna go book that. I'm gonna go book that then. There's a night dive out of wreckage. They're gonna take us down. We're gonna get lights, and we're gonna. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that sounds fun. We're going to be much more boring. We're going to swim in the pool, take a nap, wake up, go to the park, get pizza for dinner.
Yes,
And
we
we'll
are
be there
getting
waiting.
pizza to dinner tonight, and you guys will be. Oh, I think it's gonna be a Shelly takeover then, if you want.
Oh.
Yeah, because I'm gonna be on the GoPro most of the time.
Yeah.
So most of the dive video will be on the GoPro. Like I said, it'll be separate from this one. Just because of how much footage I plan on recording from all the dives.
Yeah, baby.
Otherwise than that, I have rocks in the bed because Allie can't seem to not carry rocks everywhere.
She's
And
still terrified of sand.
oh my gosh. Allie, do you want to build a sandcastle? Yeah. So she wants to build a sandcastle but does not want to touch the sand. All right, as you can see, she's ready to go. All right, everybody. I guess you'll be taking over from this point on, and I'm gonna get ready to.
Are you guys ready to party? Daddy's gone.
Dude, just going swimming and
That's
getting
what
pizza. You get pizza. Oh, I better watch the bank account. Amazon's about to get real expensive.
Hi, everyone. We've taken over because Daddy's gone, huh? So we're going to go swimming.
Mommy, take up.
Okay. We got some shrimp, chicken fingers. I even have a monster here. Just so we can remember Daddy by. Just kidding. All right. We're going to go swimming and have lunch. And then we're going to take a nap and wake up and come swimming again. Okay. So it's been about an hour and a half and we ate lunch. It was really good. It's like homemade chicken and shrimp. Is delicious. There's tons of leftover for Ron when he gets back. But we're going to go take a rest. It's like 3, so I don't think I want them to take a nap. I'm not sure. Maybe just watch a movie. And then we'll come back and swim more. Tanner found a snail. It's his best friend now. His name's Bravery. He's up there with his snail. Allie won't put her shoes on, so she's suffering by choice.
Guess who's back? Upper Crust Pizza's here. What? You know, we always be trying new pizza places. Do you like pizza? Allie, you like pizza? Uh-huh. At Shelly, it's good pizza. Is it good pizza?
Yeah, I forgot to bring the camera.
Oh, you forgot to bring the camera with you? Oh, no. Don't worry. I have a whole story about my dive adventure we'll do in a little bit. Pizza was pretty good. Shelly, what did you think of the pizza?
It was okay.
Is it okay?
I wouldn't get it again.
Not again. There we go. Now we know. Now let's talk about the diving. So second dive was afternoon session, went really well. Third dive session was at night using flashlights. That's it. It was dark. Our group of 3 that we had together, we even shut our flashlights off and just sat there for a second. It's dark. But what was a bummer is when I was coming up the ladder, getting to the ladder to climb onto the boat, at some point on my GoPro stick, the floaty one, the clip, not the screw, the clip slipped off. The one I've been trying to get off of that thing for months because it's like stuck on there. All of a sudden decided last minute, right? And the problem is I only had 700 PSI left of air in my tank and it was already going down. It wasn't a dive housing, so it was floating. kind of slow down. Sorry, we just ate. I was so hungry. But yeah. But let's talk about what we saw out there. We saw sea turtles and sea turtles and sea turtles. Oh my gosh. At night, we were 45 feet underwater. That's how deep we were at one point. There were just sea turtles just sitting in. There was a ship wreckage, and there was like all the ribs of the ship, and all the turtles were just sitting in there resting. So, you know, like you don't go near them, but you could see them, and it was really awesome. And then we saw this massive crab, and I was like, oh my gosh, like king crab size looking. The thing was huge. No tiny blue crab or anything like that. Let's see what else did. Stingray, like as big as me, or I don't know if it was a stingray. They said South Florida ray or something like that. Lots and lots of fish. Barracuda. And the barracuda just watched me as we swam. Like we all swam by as a group, and like it just sat there and then watched as everybody came by. Pretty cool. When I was trying to equalize my ear pressure, which didn't work out very well, so I still have a little bit of ear pain right now. I guess there was a shark. I missed, oh my gosh, like I guess right near us, but I mean, the stuff I got to see was pretty amazing. Got to see a shipwreck. So the ship is from World War II. I guess they took some damage running aground, and they tried to run into the ground more. It was a huge shipwreck site. Like I said, there was sea turtle. Everywhere you turned and you looked, there was another sea turtle. It was quite impressive. Now, the first two dives were about 24 to 25 feet at most. I think I like dabbed my gauge at the bottom and hit 25. It was pretty shallow, but I was having a lot of weird issues at beginning with the ear. Now, 45 feet down, almost no issues. Kind of weird. Not sure. Maybe it's just I learned how to figure out how to equalize my pressure in my ears. That's one thing that's weird. But diving 45 feet underwater, you don't even, I don't know. I was so busy trying to clear my ears, looking at everything, making sure I had plenty of air, you know, checking my gauges. It just seemed like everything was smooth. I did lose the flashlight when I first jumped in, and luckily one of my partners was able to grab it before it got too dark out. Not the greatest luck today. Was really hoping to make a video. Now, I'm going to give them my information because in the video there's a lot of information that could get us our camera back if somebody ever finds it. It's a big ocean. Probably not. But magic has happened before. Something I've never seen before was the big old conch. I think that's the name of it. They were walking just big hermit crabs, but yeah, they were walking everywhere down there. There was a whole bunch of them, and they're just, because obviously there's usually not very many predators from the above at that depth. Shipwreck didn't have much for like coral and things like that. Not too many fish. The coral reefs we did dive earlier. Whew. There was actually one where at Shelli we went through a cave. Yeah, we went through a cave and then I came out the other side. Not a real cave, like a very small one, but it was definitely interesting. Did get caught on my regulator on the rock. So, yep, that is some training I would need if I want to do cave diving. The captain of the boat is a big cave diver, and he's like, yeah, it's not something you just step into and you're good to go. But to sum it all up, night diving, I did it. You work with a flashlight. I'm happy I did it because then I know, but like honestly, probably not do night diving again. Not that interesting kind of diving. Now the daytime diving, going out there into the coral reefs and everything, I'd go back. That was super awesome. Amoray Dive Resort. Everybody on that ship was ship. It was amazing. Like they had a really good attitude about everything. They really made sure everybody was taken care of, and I really enjoyed what they provided here. I would come back and dive with them again for sure. Enough about me. How was your day?
It was very nice.
Yeah, see, I told you she doesn't like me.
Yeah, it's so much more relaxing without running around. Sorry. We swam and swam.
But let's explain why everybody had such a great day. You guys bought ice cream. Allie got a mermaid. Allie, show your mermaid. Show your mermaid. Come on, show it.
Let me see.
Let me see it. Yep, that's Ariel. That she named it. Yeah. So there's always money spent when I'm not around. That's what I've noticed. Like everybody's so happy because
We didn't spend that much. We
Really?
got lunch.
okay.
Okay. And we swam. And then we
Got ice cream.
took a little nap.
Oh.
And then we went swimming again.
Okay.
And then we took showers.
Okay.
And then we went and got ice cream.
And then what did you do?
And Allie got her mermaid.
And then what?
And then we went and got pizza for
Oh
dinner.
my gosh. Oh, expensive.
Well, yeah, we have to eat lunch and dinner.
It's okay. I lost a $400 GoPro today, so we all spent some money today. We weren't planning. What's up? So again, possibility it will return in the future. Now it is in this dive housing, so it will preserve itself for I don't know how long.
I mean, it was at the shipwreck, right?
Yeah.
So they will be back again.
There's a possibility that it could have went straight down into one of the what do you call them? The frames, and it could be just bouncing around in one of the frames.
Maybe.
And somebody, well, they don't go there very often. Just I asked them, I'm like, when do you guys go there again? And they're like, oh, we barely go there.
It's just if somebody finds it and
Yeah.
turns it in.
Yeah. So hopeful there's, but otherwise than that, good day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today was way better than yesterday, 100%.
Allie very much wants to go on a boat.
Oh god, yeah. Somebody pulled up with their boat. They like let them some friends off, and Allie's like, "That's our boat. Let's go."
Yeah.
And I'll go say hi to them. I'm like, wow,
Yeah.
she loves boats. All right, everybody, that's gonna be it for today. I think we're gonna call it. It's like only 8 o'clock, but everybody's been pretty burnt. 8:15. Yeah, we're a little burnt out today. I'm a little burnt out today.
Yeah, you're burned out. We
Yeah.
took a nap for like an hour.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And we're going to have to buy a new GoPro now. It is Black Friday. Yeah, we'll talk about it. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you next time.